Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Liz and today's mukbang is caldo de res. Don't forget to subscribe before exiting the video. Oh, I forgot to mention that I'm also going to be talking about the update of my channel. Now let's get started. I have tortillas, rice, aguacate, some jalapenos, lemon. And for the caldo is the meat, the cabbage, corn, and somewhere in there's carrots all the way in the bottom. I love this dish, especially for this cold weather. I love it with a lot of lemon.
What?
A little spice, the jalapenos. I love lemon on my rice. How was your Thanksgiving?
Good.
My daughter in the background. See a close up. And I also have my Coke. The meat is so soft. I'm so hungry. Let me get to this and I'll talk about my channel. I forgot to put one vegetable in here, the calabacita, the Italian squash. Oops. I love the cabbage. Jalapeno in there. Did you go shopping for Black Friday?
Mommy.
Yes.
Mommy. Mommy. I'm done.
Yes, I'm going. I'll be back. I'm back. I brought some cream cheese. I like it with the tortilla. A little smear. Have you guys tried this? The cream cheese with the tortilla? Good. Okay, get into the subject. I haven't done videos. Well, I have done them, but I have them there. I haven't upload them yet. But don't worry, I will have footage, and you know, I'm getting there. Little by little, I'll have more videos, and so. Um, I've been working on something, so just stay tuned. I'll be taking out videos. Um, I'm gonna be doing mukbangs, um, cooking, and food reviews. I love cooking. I cook here at my house most of the time. My sister helps me sometimes, but yeah. And I've been cooking since I was 12 years old. My mom taught me how to cook. One day she's like, "Oh, come here. You need to learn how to cook, because if one day you'll get married, you don't get married, you're gonna know how to cook." And yeah, and here I am still cooking. She left me good memories and good recipes too, so stay tuned for those. Mhm. Is it raining where you live, or is it snowing, or it's just really cold? Here is really cold. It was raining mm, for Thanksgiving, and also um, yesterday, and that's it. And today hasn't rained, but it's really cold. some corn. Have a bite. The corn is really good, especially that it was cooked here with the caldo de res. So good. I also like cream cheese with the rice. Really good. This was so good. I'm already full. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Comment and share. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.